smash and then
Ready for what?
for the stuff that's
Ahead of us.
ahead of us. Hello guys, so we're in our second island earlier.
This is Castell. I'm so proud of you. Local bus. Right? Welcome to Rojas! And the sun is shining as of now. Yeah! Rojas City, here we go! Woo! Medyo maaraw pa. Sana mag-keep up yung araw. Woo! Rojas! 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 See? Rojas Airport! Huh? Yeah, it's domestic airport. I told you, it's like a bus station. Okay, first stop, SM Rojas. So kakain muna kami ni Castell. Tom Jones na. Ito naman to. Parang galing mo sa bahay. Look at that. Okay. Okay, kakain muna kami, tapos pupunta kami sa supermarket mamaya.
Where's the story?
The story, okay. So, what can you say?
Okay, hello guys. Welcome to a special vlog. So this vlog is me and Dad in the Philippines.
Okay.
So skip the rest of the part. We're here in Philippines already.
Rojas specifically.
We're in Rojas specifically. So we just landed in Rojas specifically, and we're in SM Rojas City Mall. So I just got my food. I just got
A pork tonkatsu.
a pork katsudon and some
We got it from
food.
the Japanese restaurant. And I see.
And Dad got soup.
Tayo dito is ano lang tayo, Lapas Batchoy Classic. Dito tayo kay, Popoy's Batchoy since 1978. Si Castel disappointed. Hindi daw yung itsura. Saka hindi daw yung lasa. At sa tingin ko naman sa batchoy, hindi ka magkakamali. So,
The
tingnan
photo
natin.
is like, it's unrecognizable. Like there's an egg and then there's like freshly fried pork, but it's okay. What else?
Okay, let's have it.
Let's eat.
Okay, dito na kami sa supermarket to buy some supplies. So, ang challenge ni Castel for today, buy snack that you can find in Hong Kong. So, all Filipino stock tayo.
I can't eat that.
No, you cannot. It's available in Hong Kong. Yeah, that's the rule. So nasa Bangkal Port na kami bago mag alas 7. Medyo napaaga ang estimate ko. So no choice, naghabal-habal. Kasi wala daw tricycle na pumapasok masyado pang maaga. So kakain muna kami ng almusal. Papalipad sana ako ng drone kaso tawag dito, medyo mahangin. So just to be safe. Okay, so pumunta kami sa Cardes. Estimated ko darating kami dito, medyo late na. Napaaga kami. Upo muna kami dito sa, what is this? Holy Cow? Laughing Cow? What cow? Holy Cow? Holy Cow. So dito lang muna kami. Hintay kami. Ang alis doon ng bangka is alas 9. Sabi nila alas 7. But anyway, alis ng bangka alas 9. Pero pumunta rin kami sa meeting point. Diyan lang naman sa labas, sa tourism office ng alas 8. 1 hour before. So ito yung view sa labas. So kanina yung dumating kami, walang katao-tao. Ngayon pagdating ng alas 8, so lahat ng van nandito na. So yung lahat ng pila yun, all the way doon sa pinakadulo is registration ng tourism office. So kami hindi pa kasi ito ano to, island hopping tour to eh. So ito si Castel. Oh, so so yun, registration lang sa tourism. Since kami, hindi kami mag-island hopping yung araw na to, didiretso kami sa resort, so hindi kami magpaparegister. So si Castel bibili daw ng balak, bumili ng, alam mo si Castel, mga trinkets niya. Alam mong tourist trap to pero, but anyway, matamlay si Kuya once in a while eh. Siguro pagod or ewan ko, daming naisipan, daming pinapabili. Ito na yung Tata J. Ito yung sasakyan namin ni Castel.
Papa J. Papa No.
It's not Papa No, it's Tata J. Tata J, okay. Oh, maybe they also go. His family also go. So Castel we go.
Coincidence, we saw him in a restaurant. Oh, that's kind of like eating a burger.
Feeling ko medyo mahangin ngayon. Hopefully hindi maalon. Uminom naman kami ng Bonamine pero
Land, sea, air.
so ngayon nasa bangka na kami. So papunta sa Gigantes, doon sa resort. Ito yung mga dala namin. So ito yung karton namin niya. So ito yung bag. So, medyo mahangin so hopefully hindi ganun ka maalon. Kasi medyo mahaba din yung biyahe, mga nasa 1 oras din daw. So ito is a passenger boat nila. Passenger boat sa Gigantes. Okay, para makarating sa Sisan Resort, kailangan ng habal-habal papunta doon. So this is second habal-habal. Okay, let's go. So yung papunta sa resort, liblib talaga. Parang yung dating El Nido to, yung papunta ka sa sementeryo, yung may maliit na daan lang. Pinababa nga kami ni Casel sa motor kasi daw hindi daw kaya, may ipalusong daw palalim. Ito parang sementeryo to dati oh. So yung itsura niya talaga parang lumang El Nido. Medyo liblib siya. So yeah.
We go back?
Bali ganito yung resort. Ano lang siya, simple lang siya, parang local. So yan yung mga pangarap namin, cottage, diba? Ito yan, dito yun. Pasok tayo sa cottage. Tapos may iba pang cottage yan sa gilid. So pang probinsya siya, pero tawag ito malinis naman, malinis yung tiles. May sampayan. As of now medyo lumalabas na konti yung araw. Actually wala nga siyang gaanong araw, pero naaabot ka pa rin, medyo mainit pa rin siya. Pero feeling ko pag may araw to talaga mainit na mainit. So gusto mo pwede ka mag-relax dyan. Mamaya siguro pupunta kami ni Casel dun sa no? May kayak sila, good. Kayaking na lang siguro kami mamaya. Niyaya kami ni Manong mag land tour. Pas muna siguro sa land tour. Tamang liguan. Dito daw kami mamaya kakain sa kubo-kubo. Anak ng pating. Yan, kasabay namin yan si ate. May kasamang puti yan. Hindi pa nakapagbaba ng gamit. Sumalang na agad. Anak ng pating. Kasabay namin yan. Kabababa pa lang din nila ng gamit nila. Okay, so ito. Medyo maaraw-araw na konti. No? Medyo lumiliwanag na. Medyo lumilangan na. Si Castel, ewan ko. Si Castel, iba-iba ang priority sa buhay. Magbabasketball daw siya. Tapos, basta, ewan ko. Iba lang siguro talaga yan. Then, ang Gigantes Island is, ang Rojas per se, is ang dami niya sa baybay, nakakalat lang dun. Ito yung mga siguro kinain ng mga customer nila. Tanghaling tapat. Baka mahuli daw siya sa trading niya sa Olympics. Lunch for today, lutong bahay muna tayo. Tawag dito, scallop. May ketchup to, pero itong panalo dito, sinigang na isda. Sarap. Then calamares order ni Castel. So eating beachfront yan.
I saw ice cream.
Beachfront. Si Castel hindi pa tapos kumakain, may hinihiling na naman, ice cream daw. Hindi pa nga natatapos yung pagsusubo niya ng lunch niya. Then yun ang kwarto namin sa likod. Ayun o. Ice cream naman na daw. Eating. This is Kuya. This is for Lalay. Yeah. Okay, for dinner time, in-order ako si Kuya Kerry, Filipino style. Sabi ko wag siya masyadong mag-expect. Adobong pusit. Grabing kaitim. Talagang fresh na fresh yan. Then, in-order ako si Kuya ng something familiar. Adobo. Para makakain siya. Sabay bumili kami ng soft drinks para makakain ng maayos si Kuya. So, dito kami ulit sa pwestuhan namin. So, sabi ko Kuya, chill lang. Sana mag-ayos na kami. Pagigising lang ni Kuya, nakapag-recharge yan eh. So, sana okay na. Let's see. Castiel fully geared for our island hopping. Yeah. So yun si Kuya, our guide.
Oh my god.
It's just generic, okay? See the scallops. Okay, then we're going to the boat now.
Can't even remember his name.
How will you shout for help, right? So, private tour tayo. More or less, ako si Castiel.
That's it.
Kami magmamaneho ng ano. See? How can you swim like this, Kuya? So cold.
I don't think I'm gonna swim. No, it's very, very cold.
Yeah, go. See, Kuya said it's very, very cold.
It's like ice water.
Now we know that why nobody swims here.
It's like ice water. You know, sometimes when you swim when it's hot, it's like refreshing. This one's not refreshing at all.
So we're in our first island, but you need to speak louder.
This is our first island. It's what's the name again? Tiki Taka Sandbar. I forgot the name. But it's a sandbar.
We are the only people here. You can see that's our boat. We're on a private tour. It's not raining, but
It's very windy and the water is so cold.
kung di sana mahangin at malamig, ang ganda ng tubig, ang ganda ng liguan niya, no, blue na blue. Kaso you araw, come out!
Oh, the sun! Hi.
Come out! The water is so gloomy. Okay, so palis na kami dito sa ating sandbar. Ayan si Castello. Shot!
Hello guys, so we're in our second island. Earlier we went to the Tiki Taka sandbar. So now we're in the poster child, the main event of our whole trip, probably. What's this called again?
Kabugaw Gamay. That means Gamay means small.
Yeah, small. So this is small. So that's it.
Anyway, ito yung pangalawang island na pinunta namin kay Castello, yung poster child ng Iloilo, Kabugaw Gamay. Medyo sumisilip-silip yung araw ng konti, medyo bumubulo-bulo yung tubig doon ng konti. Pero malakas talaga yung hangin.
That's our boat.
The reason na dalawa lang kami dito dahil kinuha namin yung private tour. So, walang ba tao? Pag maraming tao, pag group tour kayo, maraming tao, mga around alas 9:30 siguro dito rin sila, no? Pila dito. Yung mga bangka daw nakapila. Tapos kada isang grupo, around 5 to 8 minutes lang daw pwede dito sa taas. So, yun. Dami shells dito. Ito mas malalaki. Kuya, this one is bigger.
Whoa.
So colorful.
Oh, they're heavy too.
Oh yeah, they got heavy. What? Rap music videos? So ito yata yung entrance ng lagoon. Parang kaya dito rin, no? Tangke Lagoon ang tawag dito.
Welcome to Tangke Lagoon.
Say welcome
Ito
to
yung
Tangke
third-
Lagoon.
Ah,
Ang third stop natin.
natin.
Okay, follow kuya.
Dito, tayo sir.
So,
Parang walang ano sir. Walang tobe.
low tide. Is it the water clear kuya? Basically, we have the whole lagoon by ourselves. Again, courtesy of private tour. That's our guide, kuya over there. Okay, careful kuya, okay? Limestone rock is very sharp.
And the sun whisperer. Sun.
Feed the animal. He cannot open it. The monkey cannot open it. He's trying. He's going to starve.
I like the caramel better. Caramel tastes better.
Tourists here. So may dumating na. They will not. They don't care about your feelings.
Don't care.
They're just tired. They just want to do their thing here. Kanina, kami lang bangka dito ito. Ngayon, bago mag alas 12, lahat ng mga tour group, ano pala sila, color coded dito. May purple, may green, then sa kabila parang orange. Yung pangalan ng bangka, oh, ayun ko kita dito. Jahasel, Jahasel, Jahasel. Ate, okay. So anyway, mamaya siguro may ibang bangka, may ibang darating. So kami, lalarga na kami. Okay, nandito tayo sa Antonia Beach. Dito tayo kakain. Kung makikita nyo, ang lakas ng hangin. Yung dagat dito, galit na galit. Eh no, namumuti eh. Dito rin sa kabila, kalmang kalma. Walang kaano lahat. Difference sa kabila. Nilalamig si Castil. So sabi ko siya kanya, dito siya sa bato, parang marmol. See, another life hack, right? No?
It's not a hack. It's a beach hack. I feel like you just made this up. You felt like the rock was hot, so you just made it up.
Look at this swimp. He seems that he's like rescued from the deep sea. Look at him. Cold and miserable. All the swag gone.
Look at the boats.
Did you went all the way to Iloilo just to feel cold? Huh? Miserable. Lalay, don't be like this on your mom's vacation.
He's gonna be exactly like this.
Don't be like this. Walking like a boss. Like AJ.
Hey, no name calling.
Ah, okay, sorry.
Sir, ako na sir.
Oh, teka lang. Sinigang ulit. Then, inihaw na isda. Ayan, look. Ayan. Then, sit and sour kay kuya. Puro isda pala to Isang sinigang, isang inihaw, isang sit and sour.
Yelo. Ano naman?
Inihaw na isda. Fresh yan, huh? Sweet and sour. Disappointed na naman yung isa. Wala siyang ketchup daw. Castel, my sweet sour child.
You didn't warn me it's ketchup.
Grabe kalot! Woo, man! Woo! Taguba!
Oh my god!
If our engine died, we're doomed. Ganito yung buhay probinsya. I mean, relax lang. Si Castel, walang technology, walang wifi eh. Wala na kaming barya sa Pisonet eh. So ayun siya natutulog sa may duyan. Hampas lang ng alon. Wala nang ibang guest, wala na nagkakaraoke. Yung nagkakaraoke doon, wala na. Patuyo ng damit. Si Castel, island boy na.
Kasi dalawang purpose sir sa kid namin dito.
Oh.
Pag mayroong bagyong umabot,
Yeah. Malamig dito sa loob, ano? Follow, ano? Medyo ano din, presko, no? It's okay. Okay lang ako. Okay lang ako.
higit sa gitna natin sir. Yung mga higaan sir ng mga
Dead
senior
people,
citizen,
this is
pag
where
bagyong
they like-
Yolanda.
Diyan sila
So
makapapahinga.
yung mga higaan nila sir, sira-sira na yan.
This is where in ancient Philippines.
Change the story.
Tapos, yung kid namin dito sir, talagang na pwedeng
He said you-
ginagawa na activity sa inyo kasi yung nagpunta si Noli de Castro at saka si Dina Lopez.
So nagpunta si Noli de Castro dito?
Oo.
Na-
Ganun pa rin sir sa island hopping natin.
Oh.
Sila pa rin ang pinuntahan nila para doon na mag-island hopping yung mga visit.
Wow, laki pa rin din sa loob, ano?
Malaki pa sir. Ay pinakalawak pa dyan na maabutan natin.
Okay.
Wonder everyone
Tapos
is like,
ito yung bato sir nagpo-form ng kung ikaw yung tumingin pa anong po-form ng
Kasi, ito teka lang mukhang isda, may mata, may ano. Parang mudscaper, alam mo yung isdang pwede sa lupa, yung magapang sa buhangin.
like Donald Trump.
Kuya, makikilawan yung balete. So yan daw yung balete daw yan, oh. Galing doon sa taas.
Okay lang.
Yan ganyan. Galing sa pinakabubong, balete, dalawang ugat ng malaki. Pasok dito sa pinakailalim.
And it's still going through.
Oo.
Tagos pa sa lupa, pasok sa lupa.
Tapos ito pa sir.
Don't touch it, okay kuya?
Ito pa yung nagpo-form ng parang ribs natin.
Oo.
Parang ribs ng
Yan o,
tao.
yan o, yan o.
Oh yeah, this one.
Tapos ribs ng tao, tapos yung katawan niya sir, akit na sa taas, doon na sa
Oh. Then the person, can you see the head and the body? That's the ribs, the person already went up.
That's funny.
Sorry pa natin pagpasok ko.
Careful. Ang ganda nito, yung may dilaw.
So yung buta sir,
So big.
itong pinakalawak na area dito sa kid namin sir.
Parang katedral.
I know what this looks like.
Tapos, ito yung tinatawag namin sir na grupo.
Mukha nga siyang groto, ayun o.
Tapos, one by one lang ang magpa-picture.
Ayun o, mukha siyang groto.
Pasok.
So anyway, sabi ni Manong pag tagtuyot daw, papasok ka raw doon sa pinakaloob na yun. Ayun o, kita ko nga dito kuya. Can you look?
Kita sir.
Kuya, still look. Pero kuya na flashlight. See?
Oh yeah, I see the other side of the cave.
Can you see the other side?
Uh-huh.
Wow.
But if you come inside, maybe it will cause an avalanche. Guys, come here.
Our dinner for the last night. Big scalo.
I'm actually gonna like this one.
Liempo. Fried chicken para kay kuya. Excited na ba si kuya sa fried chicken?
Still hot. Keep on mixing.
Mahulog ka.
You can already see the land on the other island.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go smiling.
Yeah, it's okay. Okay, so since ito yung ano, massage place, Cabana siya. It's gonna be relaxing. Right, kuya? Huh? You gotta be like relaxing. You're near the sea.
Go.
Wait first. You're destroying my thing. You're going to make your mom jealous. See? Told you.
Like the view?
Yeah. Beautiful view.
Mas okay sir na?
Mas okay. Okay, this is our room reveal. Castel, can you tour us?
Okay, so over here we have our glamorous camping style, home style.
Accommodation.
So here we go. Come inside. So we have our bed here. We have 2 beds here. We have a safe there. We have a drawer here. We have this table for our bag, exactly the perfect size. You have a TV here and a mini fridge. We also have a table here and mirror here. And here inside is our toilet. So this is our bathroom. We got a very nice.
Oh, they have a
shower.
heater. Kuya can take shower properly
Oh,
now.
yeah.
Okay. One Filipino, one American boy, carbonara. Castel, the Teririt Master. Okay, Castel is going to hit the board number 6. You need to call it where? Left corner pocket. You say.
Left corner pocket.
Whoa!
Okay.
For dinner, Castel is having a feast. 1 full pizza. Pancit guisado. The chicken. I think there's like 6 pieces a while ago. He ate a lot. That's good. And me.
Look at this halo halo.
And halo halo. Oh, the halo halo seems decent.
What? This is more than decent. Look at
Yeah.
that.
And forgive me, mommy. Or forgive me my tummy later.
I'm not eating that.
Talabahan to. So, hindi ko maiwasan di mag-order ng talaba. So, pag sumakatan siya ko, alam ko na. That is still the greatest. See? 3-1. Whoa! 4-1. Backhand! You're lucky. The win protected you. The sun is coming out.
Huh?
The sun.
I feel fresh. I'm ready.
Lighter.
I feel fresh and ready
Ready for what?
for the stuff that's
Ahead of us.
ahead of us. The challenges and hurdles against.
Okay, go straight. Even have soundtrack. See, this is Castel. I'm so proud of you. Local bus.
So proud of you.
Right? So instead of taking tricycle, we took a bus, like Ceres bus, going to the terminal. Right?
You're bad at marketing.
Smile! Be proud! Alright? Should be happy.
This is directly to the terminal, right? Oh,
Yes.
This is directly to the terminal, right?
Yes!
Okay, cool. Thank you. I'm such a local.
Okay, this is Castel going back to Manila with Kodiak. See? It's Philippine Air Force. Philippine Air Force.